Hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Jacks. Make a perfect berry smoothie bowl in simple steps. For my perfect berry smoothie bowl, I combined 1 cup of frozen banana. Making this frozen banana is very simple. You can cut banana, place it in a ziploc and freeze them. Adding the frozen banana when blended creates a wonderful thick and creamy consistency for the smoothie bowl. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of fresh and frozen berries. This is a mixture of blueberries, raspberries and strawberries. You can just keep it simple by adding water or increase the creaminess by using a plant-based milk such as almond milk, cashew milk or oat milk. Adding in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now blend all these ingredients together until nice, thick and creamy consistency. If you feel like you need any extra water or milk, you can add it at this stage. Now transfer the smoothie base to a bowl and sprinkle with all your favorite toppings. You can use chopped nuts, seeds or fresh fruits. For my perfect berry smoothie bowl, I used granola, pumpkin seeds, and fresh kiwi and a drizzle of honey. Now our perfect berry smoothie bowl is ready to serve. Enjoy immediately. You can enjoy this healthy smoothie bowl for breakfast, as a snack or even a dessert. Let your family members and friends customize their bowls with their favorite toppings. The options are endless. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. See you on the other side. Bye bye.